Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Tamaria Lakay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this big beautiful hair by Outre. It's 3C Whirly. I got her in the color 1B, and basically I just got her because it's a little bit of a struggle to get my hair curly in a high puff or a pineapple, and so I just thought this would be a lot more easier. The curls are already there, plus it will be quicker than trying to do a wash and go, wait for your hair to dry, and then put it in a high puff. Like, that's too much. So yeah, I got her. She was only $8.99 from Hair Shop and Stop. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can visit the website if you like. Basically, the construction is pretty simple. It has the drawstring, it has the comb at the bottom, and then it also has the comb at the top. The combs were really small and they were plastic, so it was kind of hard to get them to stick in my hair. As you can see, I had to remold my hair and bring my ponytail a bit more to the front in order to get the style that I was hoping to achieve. And my makeup is not going all the way to my hairline, but don't worry about that because the hair is going to cover it up. Once I put her on, I did go ahead and secure her with a bobby pin, just one, even though I feel like you're gonna need like a lot more if you're gonna like wear her out during the day and you're gonna be doing something and it might be windy outside. But once I got her together and got her styled on my head, I was absolutely in love. However, I do wish that she was just a little bit more fuller and also a little bit more longer so that I didn't have to like really stretch my curls out in the front. I thought that would have been so cute. And as well, this is what it looks like from the side. I know my little kitchen is, looking a little bit rough, but it's all good. I think I like this ponytail. What do you guys think? Do you like her or is it a no-go? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends, your family, and also your enemies. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it now. And you know what, you guys, this is pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.